Hi, welcome. In this short lesson, I'll show how to move beyond basic rectangles and circles so you can make custom shapes and icons in Figma. I'll walk you through editing vector points, adding nodes, and most importantly, using the pen tool and filling and shaping your artwork. Before jumping into the pen tool, let's see how we can customize shapes in Figma. Start by drawing a frame. With the frame tool, press F and draw it on the canvas. For shape, let's draw a rectangle by pressing R or selecting the rectangle from the toolbar. That just gets us ready. To edit any shape as a vector, select the shape and press Enter. You'll see the little points that make up the shape. Those are the anchor points. Drag any point to change the shape or click and drag a corner to round it. If you need more detail, you can add an anchor point of your own, hover over an edge until a pen with plus sign appears, and click to add a node. Adding nodes lets you change the silhouette and create more complex forms. Drag it down while holding Shift to keep it aligned. Let's add one more node in the bottom edge and drag it up. We created a rough, thunder-like shape. Not bad. You can create custom shapes from any shape: rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, or line and arrow. To exit this mode, select it and press Enter again. Let's delete the line and thunder. Now the pen tool you're waiting for. This tool helps us to create shapes from scratch. Let's pick the pen from the toolbar or press P and click on the canvas to place the first anchor point. Click again for the next point and keep going to build various segments. To make curves, click and drag instead of just clicking. That creates handles you can use to shape the curve. When you connect the final point back to the first, the path closes and becomes a complete shape. You can fill or edit. If you finish a path but want to step away, press Escape to exit editing. To jump back in and tweak points, press Enter. When you're editing, handles appear on curved points. Use them to change the direction and strength of the curve. Press and hold. Control a point will convert a straight corner into a smooth curve. Drawing smooth curves takes practice. The pencil tool works similarly, but feels more like drawing by hand. With pencil selected, sketch a freehand line and Figma converts it into a vector path. You can edit the same way as a pen path. This is handy when you want looser organic shapes instead of carefully plotted anchor points. To change color or style, select the closed shape and open the Fill panel. Click the plus to add a fill color. If you want a solid shape, you can remove the stroke or lower its thickness. These simple style changes turn your paths into finished icons or illustrations. That covers the essentials: entering vector edit mode, adding and moving nodes, using the pen and pencil tools, drawing curves with handles, and adding fills. With these tools, you can make anything from icons to custom illustrations. That's all for today.